everyone, my name is Roger and I'm your local guide. So today's video is going to be about camping next to a waterfall. So this is the road. Now we are just 20 minutes away from the city of Quillabamba, which is located in the jungle side of Cusco, here in Peru. And this tour will be about visiting a local family on the mountains. And this family will show us how they cook traditional food, how they do farming in the jungle, and actually we will get to taste all kinds of fruits and food, but also we are going to have so much fun because we will ride a zip line between two mountains right next to an incredible waterfall and do camping across that same waterfall. And let's get it started. Alright, we are ready. So we have all our stuff ready to go to the waterfall, but first we're gonna eat breakfast. So you can grab ready your
grab my bag?
Yeah, I think so. This part of the mountain is flat. Gusto ese concepto. Ya, gracias.
Yeah, sí. Open it.
What are we eating, Anthony?
Looks like yuca, eggs, and fried banana.
All from this farm. All right, we are ready to hike to the waterfall. We're here with Anthony and my friends over there. His name is Carlos. He's helping us to bring our stuff. He's a very strong man. We're in the forest near Quillabamba, just like 20 minutes away from the city, but it's all green and there are a lot of animals and trees and stuff like that. How are you feeling, Anthony?
Feeling good. Great breakfast. Nice drive up.
Cool. Okay, we're halfway. It's the waterfall. It's really hot, but it feels good because we're gonna get there and take a shower in the waterfall. We really appreciate these guys are helping us to bring all the equipment to be able to do the zip line, the camping. So how do you like the view so far?
Yeah, it's great. This rock face here. You can hear the water coming.
Right? Cool. Anthony, we made it. It's just right there. Gracias, señor Inocencio. Gracias, gracias. Alright, it's right there. We're gonna camp near this waterfall. How are you doing? Are you sweating?
Yeah.
Good hike, right?
Yeah. Up here?
Yes. We're gonna do the zip line, and then we're gonna camp there. Our fire is gonna be right there. Campfire. So good. How are you doing? Great. Alright. This is my friend. He's always gonna be with us, helping us to bring our stuff to this place. It was just like 20 minutes of hiking. Yeah. So is this what you were expecting?
It's amazing, yeah.
Cool, right? So you go first. Just follow the path. It's very easy.
Wow.
So were you?
Stunningly beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah.
Cool. It's a good place because it's no crowded either. very enjoyable. A lot of privacy. Guys, if you are interested in making this tour, please check the description down below and share this video with your friends. If you'd love to come to Peru and the jungle side of Cusco. Our friends are getting ready to be able to do the zip line right over this waterfall. Alright, we are getting ready to do that zip line. We're almost done. So are you scared of doing the zip line?
I'm a good amount scared, anticipated.
Okay. Yeah, cool.
Está grabando, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Ya, la altura de 70 metros.
So it's quite scary, but good enough. How is it? Tired? Oh yeah. It doesn't feel like quite hard to climb. It's very easy, but yeah, it's scary.
Scary, right?
Yep. Kind of get used to it.
Yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
See, this is the dry season.
Oh, really?
This
There's
is
more water, right?
a lot more. It's kind of scary. Please go ahead. He needs to be in the video because he's the handsome one. All right. Oh, here you go again.
¿Están listos?
Are you ready? Say, are you ready?
Of course not.
Por supuesto que no. Dice. Que no agarre nada.
No agarre
So
nada.
don't touch anything.
Don't touch anything. Tu mano acá nada más.
Just only here.
Okay. This one hand.
Just both. We can be both hands or just one. It's okay. Just for balance. Alright, I made it, I think. I'm alive, bro. I think so. Or I hope so. We do appreciate these people. They're very, very nice people. Okay. All right.
Very good.
What else can you ask for? This is it. This is all we need. Good food, good landscape, and good friends, good people helping us to be able to do this tour. Thank goodness we were able to refresh our bodies in the waterfall because the weather is so hot right now, and now we are going for our lunch. Alright, we are going to the kitchen again, and we're gonna see a little bit of our lunch, how she's making our lunch. She's gonna put spaghetti in on the oven, and she's gonna mix with that. There is like garlic, red peppers, and things like that.
Estamos alistando ya.
Oh, look at
El
that.
aderezo. Ve alistado esto. Acá está batiendo el huevo. para taparle acá encima. Clara de
put the
huevo.
eggs
Oh, I see.
on top
On
of
top
it.
of this?
Yes, so
Is that the noodles we had yesterday?
Yes,
In the oven
exactly.
baker. Yeah.
Lo
yes,
tapamos y luego lo vamos a meter al horno.
peppers.
Este es el rocoto relleno. Esta es su masita. Esta le vamos a tener que taparle. Y
Okay, so
luego
now
se
it's like a
tapa
batter.
y en el
Yeah,
sartén,
right. Before we fry them.
para freír.
Okay, while this lovely lady is making our lunch, we are going to explore the farm, and they will explain to us how they farm mainly fruits. Oh man.
Ahí nomás lo voy a dorar.
¿Qué ya está cocinado con el
Sí, ajá, ya está cocinado. Ya pues es solamente para que dore
porque
nomás, ya para que el condimento. Pues.
Toronja.
No, no es todo. Esta es la mandarina aquí.
There are a lot of types of oranges. So this one's named Wando, that's what they call it.
Otro,
You taste the bitterness in it.
Acá tengo amarillo.
This one's almost ready. It should be quite orange, the
Yeah.
color.
And then it's,
But Yeah, but this one's almost ready because it's quite red and big.
does he make his own chocolate here or not?
Yes, he makes his own chocolate. Yeah. Oh, mango. So it's a green mango, almost ready. The other ones are yellow, but yeah, there are too many mangoes, so people here are not so they are not so interested in eating them. Yeah. So many fruits and look, Anthony.
Se cosecha así.
Oh.
A ver, por ejemplo. Esto. Y esto. Ya. Y cosechamos, bajamos así. Sin dañar la pepita.
Oh my goodness.
Y esto con
Looks
este
just
palito.
like the beans that we had the other day.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you're gonna see then how it looks like after it's fermented. But this is the fruit. These are these cacao seeds. You can try them.
You can eat them now.
Sí, puede comerlo, ¿no?
Claro.
Así.
A ver, prueba.
See?
First, smell how it smells.
Verde. Disculpe.
What? Don't bite. Just the seed. Don't eat it. Just what's outside, or the white.
It's really
thing.
sweet.
I like how it smells. Oh my goodness.
So sweet.
Yeah, so tasty, so sweet, very unique flavor. I really like it. We're gonna see how it looks when it's fermenting.
Okay.
It's part of the process of making chocolate.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Vamos allá. Por allá.
How long do they ferment for?
¿Por cuánto tiempo está fermentando?
Este va a fermentar 5 a 6 días.
So the
5 days.
fermentation, yeah,
Yeah.
fermentation is
Wow.
like around 5 to 6 days.
Okay. Oh wow, it's quite quick.
After this fermented, they put probably on this part of the farm, so they can dry them out, and it's ready to go to the toaster, and then crush them, and you get chocolate. Any questions? Any comments? Any complaints?
No, it makes sense. It's good.
All right, so enjoying a little bit of the nature before we eat lunch. Are you hungry? All right. Okay. Yeah. See, right here. So we're gonna eat duck, and she brought this plate, which it would be for vegetarian people. So if you are vegetarian, it's not gonna be a problem. It's great. So What do you think about this place?
That's it.
Very, very natural, right?
Yeah, beautiful.
All right, so let's eat. All right, we are almost ready to have this camping just next to the waterfall. These two beautiful waterfalls, and we're here with our friend who's helping us to bring our stuff. And Anthony's excited about the view of the tent. So let's check it out. How he's gonna sleep right here. So he has his own air bed, very comfortable with that extremely beautiful landscape. Oh my goodness, it's really cool. And also the other guy, my friend, this one, his name is Carlos, really good friend. He's helping us, like I said. So he has also his air bed, really good with all that he needs. We have some lights and everything that we need. So we're also getting ready to have our dinner tonight. And everything at just one place. Good food, good nature, waterfalls, and a lot of fun, a lot of fruits, everything. Right, we're making our dinner, and here's a yuca. And this man is ready to get married. From here we can hear a lot of noises from the nature, some animals, the waterfall. Acércate acá. Ay, entendí. Esto se va. Listo. Alright, we are done. So we are already eating. So here's Anthony eating. How are you doing, Anthony? Is it good? Delicious?
It's delicious.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that. So I'm hungry and I gotta turn this off. It's time to say goodbye to this cool place. We need to go for our breakfast. Here we go. Alright, it's raining a little bit, which is very typical in the jungle. But we need to leave. We need to go for our breakfast just next to another waterfall. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
So what do you think, Anthony, about this? Right? Very unique waterfall.
Yeah, really unique.
Yep. So guys, if you have any questions about this tour, you have any comments or recommendations or something that you love to tell me, please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear something from you. And if you like this video, please give me a like and also share this video with your friends. If you want to come to Peru, just let me know. I can help you with everything you need. We will eat our breakfast here instead of next to the waterfall because it's raining. And it's amazing to get all this food from nature. Fruits, eggs, honey, chocolate. This is heaven. If you want to do the same tour, go to the description down below. And remember, I'm your local guide and see you next video.